up so much free time, knowing time ain't free.
Hey guys, so for today's video I will be showing you guys how I did this DIY hanging flower decor. It's really simple and easy and I had so much fun doing it, so I hope you guys enjoy the video and let's get started. So the first thing I did was actually clean up my filming desk. After I film, I just leave all my makeup there because I get too lazy to clean it up. So I'm just putting everything away and making sure it's out of the way to start on the project. And don't forget to add me on Snap.
And I done sacrificed my own time, I done sacrificed my own mind. Fight the dog like diamond shining in no door on the down, my wrist 100. Oh, yeah, Gucci Python. Go, go.
Also, if you guys want to see a makeup room tour and collection, please leave it in the comments below and I would love to film it for you guys. Then I just took my map off the wall. Then I picked which branch I actually wanted to hang up. I had two different options. After I picked the branch that I wanted, I took this thick white rope I actually got at Michael's for $1, and I'm just tying it loosely on the branch. I didn't want to tie the rope right at the ends of the branch, but kind of towards the middle so it had more support. After cutting the end of the rope, I actually took some tape and I taped the end of the rope so it wouldn't come apart. I just looked to see where I wanted the branch to hang. I took a nail and a hammer. Then I just hammered in my nail. Also keep in mind, if you put the branch pretty low, the flowers are going to be low, so I try to make it as high as possible. Then I tied my rope again to make it extra secure. I tied it once in front of the branch and then I took the rope to the back and did 2 knots on the back. Then I'm taking this glitter stretch cord I got at Michael's for also $1. And then I also have dried up flowers. You can use fake flowers, but I already had these, so I wanted to use them. I wanted to use this cord because it was clear and also had glitter, but you need to be very careful because it is stretchy and breakable. So I tied one end of the cord to the flower and the other onto the branch, and I just tested it out to see if it was going to work. Then I just started placing flowers to see where I wanted them to go. So I knew if I just tied the cord onto the flower, it wasn't going to hold. So I started to use my hot glue gun to glue the cord onto the flower. I also glued the cord upwards on the stem so it wouldn't hang funny. I also started gluing leaves onto the flower to make them look a little bit more realistic. I was also gluing leaves where the cord was so you wouldn't be able to see the cord that much. So I would tie the cord at the end of the flower and then I would put a little bit of glue and tie it tighter right on top of the glue so it would hold. Then I kept repeating the process over and over and over again with all the flowers. Sometimes the flowers were a little angled, so I would take the petals off of the stem and then just glue it back on the way I wanted them to be. Then I started gluing the flowers onto the branch. I actually suggest not doing this and just tying them first, because after I was gluing them I actually wanted to move some around and it was kind of hard to take the glue off of the branch, so just a suggestion. So I actually ran out of my glitter cord and I had to go get some more. They actually sold a bigger package of this, but I didn't get it. Maybe if you are gonna do this and you use more flowers, and I suggest getting the bigger one.
Say my name, I'm shady, ain't calling me baby, why the sudden change? Let's say my name, other day, I will call, you would say, then I'm running flows, why they say look at that radio, it's the remix to ignition, hot and fresh out the kitchen, mama rolling that body, got.
After I had my little dance party, I started gluing the cord onto the branch finally. There's nothing wrong with dancing and having fun, because this was a fun project and I just wanted to have fun doing it. I didn't want it to feel like mandatory, you know, so. Then I just snipped the extra cord from the branch and that was it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and check out my social media down below. Also, if you guys want to see other DIYs, then please let me know.